this path I go, on this road I grow. My dreams unfold, I did it all alone. On this path I go, on this road I grow. My dreams unfold, yeah, it made me strong. By myself I go on, by myself in the cold. By myself I stay strong, I'm a lone wolf. By myself I go on, by myself in the cold. By myself I stay strong, I'm a lone wolf. And so I strive to do it all. Yes, I'm stronger on my own. Through hard times, survived it all. Look how much I've grown. Look how far I've gone.
The reigning Mr. Olympia, Dorian Yates.
I always had this underdog thing, like I'm the underdog and nobody like thinks I can do it, so I'm gonna fucking show you, I'm gonna do it. So I use it I call it fuck you energy. Fuck! Fuckers, I'm gonna show you. You know, I'm gonna do this, and just through sheer will. Hungry, nasty guy from the ghetto coming up. I'll fucking show you. Yeah, I'll use that energy. I'm going to show you what I can do. And every day I've got to give 100% on that day of what I can do towards this goal. And